Which of the following pairs of linear equation are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain a solution graphically. Solution. So if we have to do such a question, we need to write it in standard form. So we are looking at x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0, 2x plus 2y minus 10 being equal to 0. So the very next thing we have to do is compare it with ax plus by plus c and write the ratios, right? So we are looking at a1 by a2 being equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is also equal to 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to minus 5 by minus 10. Minus divided by minus is plus. 5 divided by 10 is 1 by 2. So there are few things that you need to be smart about. One is that I divided negative first and then the number. Always do that. Negative, the sign should be given different priority. Okay, sign should be given and then the number. So with this, you will not do that silly mistake which your parents and your teachers keep telling. Don't do that. Why do you do that? And they keep telling that. So it's just that, see guys, the point is you need to be organized for whatever you do. So this is one of it. And one more thing which I missed is I need to write 1 because again, I've seen kids taking x by 2 as a ratio. They don't realize this is 1. So again, I don't want any one of you to do this mistake. So small note. And then next we have the conclusion. So we have a1 by a2 being equal to b1 by b2, which is also equal to c1 by c2. What does this imply? This tells that the lines are dependent. Okay, right? So another similar question. The very first step is to write it in standard form. So we have 1x minus 1y is equal to 8. And we have 3x minus 3y is equal to 16. And then we are looking at the ratios. So we have a1 by a2 equal to 1 by 3. b1 by b2 is equal to, oh sorry, this is not standard form, is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So b1 by b2 is minus 1 by minus 3. c1 by c2 is minus 8 by minus 16, which is minus of minus is plus 1 by 2. And this is negative. Negative of negative is positive. So we have the conclusion. What can you conclude? What can conclude? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2, right? So this implies lines are inconsistent. Is it not? So the word inconsistent means that itself. Once it is yes and another time it's no. Right? The very word inconsistent means that. So that's how you can remember this condition. Okay? Relate it to the word, most of the time you'll get the answer.